So what's up? I want to show y'all quickly what it is I do, like how I go through and make my beats and stuff like that. So basically, I have like an album collection of over 100,000 albums, like literally in the digital form. I digitized everything and I keep them on various hard drives, so I don't lose them. And then I'll bring them into like MPC or whatever, and then I'll stem them. I'll use stems. Sometimes I use the software if I want a clean stem, or I'll use Logic, or if I want a dirty stem, I'll use standalone. So a lot of times you hear my beats and my samples would be dirty. That's because I want it that way, or whatever else like that. It's just something I do. So have some the drums here. Let's see. We have like the sample. All right, and so we have some vocal samples here. Yeah, and some bass notes. It's nothing really spectacular. And then, basically I'll just go through and sequence all of that together, like all the rest of you do. You know what I mean? But stems is like really my secret weapon, and it enables me to get through to sounds and samples that I was never able to get to before. All right, so let's hear what it is I did. And that's it. So, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that. Take care. God bless. Love and respect all of you. Peace.